Value for money 1440p gaming PC build 2025. Sashiburi guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back with a new video. So lately I've been getting lots of comments in my recent PC videos asking me to build like a brand new 2025 edition mid-range gaming PC that should offer you like value for money 1440p gaming performance. And that is what I'll be showing you in this video guys. The whole spec list configuration that I've chosen, right? Very interesting PC components, and I'm pretty sure you'll definitely enjoy watching this video till the end. Plus I'll also show you all the gaming performance and benchmarks, right? Very informative guys, make sure to watch it till the end. So before I tell you about the PC build list and configuration, let me tell you that you can approach this PC build in like two different ways. First one is you can build this PC with the newest gen available components in the market, but the price is going to be slightly on the higher side. You can roughly expect the budget to be around like 90,000 to 1 lakh rupees. But if you're a bit tight on a budget, right, instead of going for the newer gen components, you can look for the older gen parts, maybe like 13th gen, 14th gen, something like that, whichever fits in your budget. And with that combination of CPU and motherboard, right, you can greatly bring down the price to around like 75,000 also. So totally depends on your budget guys. Today we'll be building with the newer gen components only, because basically I want to make this build like a future proof edition. And on top of that, the build I'll be showing you in this video, right, is not just meant for gaming purpose. You can use it for like content creation, productivity and AI workloads also, because I'll be using Intel's Core Ultra CPUs guys, the recent launch one, which also have like onboard Intel AI Boost NPU, right? So that will help you with all your machine learning or maybe like AI related workloads. So that is the whole concept of today's video guys. And first of all, let me tell you about the PC build configuration that I have chosen. Talking about the CPU, since this is like a mid-range PC, right, I have went for Intel's Core Ultra 5 245K CPU. Offers excellent gaming performance. It's a 14 core 14 thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.2 GHz. And best part, as I've told you guys, it's gonna help you with your AI related workloads as well, because you're getting onboard NPU as well, which might not be available on the older gen CPUs. Now pair this CPU with a very interesting GPU, Intel Arc series A770. Now first of all, I'm gonna get a lot of questions like, Vimal bro, why have you chosen Intel's GPU when you're already getting like RTX 40 series GPUs around this price point, maybe like a 4060 Ti or something like that? Now there are a couple of reasons guys. Main thing is VRAM memory. 4060 Ti though offers slightly better performance, right? You are getting very limited VRAM of only around like 8 GB guys, and 8 GB is not going to help you with your future. Right now it may help you play a couple of games, but if you want to do like machine learning or maybe like AI related workloads or heavy productivity, this sort of stuff, right, you will be like seriously limited with that 8 GB. That is the reason I went for Intel's Arc A770, which offers like double VRAM guys, 16 GB VRAM over here. And Arc A770 is not that slouch also guys. It does offer like decent 1440p gaming. You can play most of your AAA title games, not an issue at all, with very high graphics also, consistent 60 plus FPS. I'm going to show you that in this video. So that was the whole CPU and GPU combination. Talking about the motherboard, so we have a brand new Intel motherboard in the market guys for the Core Ultra series CPUs, a bit more affordable I would say, the new B860 series. And today in the home we have a new model from MSI. This is their MAG series B860 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. Now this is like a value for money gaming motherboard I would say guys. You're getting basically all the features covered. First of all, you're getting the new LGA 1851 socket, which supports all your Core Ultra CPUs. You're getting high-tech power solution, 12+1+1 dual trail power design, that too with dual 8-pin CPU connectors for excellent power solution. Build quality is also good. I mean, look at that. You're getting 6-layer PCB with 2 ounces of thickened copper tracks, server grade level material used on board, and chunky block of heatsink, especially on the VRM area. Main highlight is the motherboard also offers easy DIY design. So if you have a look at the PCI connector, right, you're getting a new easy DIY system. Very easy to install and remove the GPU. Not just the PCI connector. If you have a look at the M.2 SSD installation as well, right, very easy on this motherboard. You're getting M.2 shield frozer to clip to, and last but not the least, easy DIY Wi-Fi antenna as well guys. Just plug and play is what I can say. Lastly, next gen connectivity features, which include Thunderbolt 4.0, Intel Killer 5G LAN, and also Killer Wi-Fi 7, which offers like excellent speeds and stability. So this is a motherboard we'll be using. In case if you're a bit tight on a budget, instead of the Tomahawk, you can even go for a much more affordable variant of B860 from MSI, which will save you around like 7,000-8,000 rupees extra guys. So totally depends on your budget. If you ask about the cooler, for a CPU of this caliber, a 240mm AIO would get the job done, but we actually have a new model 360mm AIO from MSI, which is actually value for money guys. Hardly hardly costs around like 5000 to 5500 rupees. So roughly for a small price difference when you're getting 360mm AIO, why go for 240mm? This is MSI's all new MAG series A13 360mm AIO. You're getting beautiful RGB lighting, 3 ARGB fans are included, decent pump head with excellent performance. Talking about the memory section, I've told you at the beginning, right, this is going to be like a next gen gaming PC build. So obviously we're going to use like new gen platform only, which includes DDR5 RAM and also much faster PCI Gen 4 SSD. So both of them I'm using from Kingston only. We have the Renegade DDR5 RAM 16x2 32GB kit clocked at 6400 MHz, and obviously PCI Gen 4 SSD 512GB or 1TB depending on your budget and requirement. Moving on, let me also tell you about the power supply. So for a configuration of a PC like this, right, a 750 watt power supply would be like quite ideal. That is the reason I'll be using a new model power supply from MSI. This is their MAG series A750GL ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 ready power supply. Lastly, coming to the PC case. Now PC case can totally depend on your preference and also budget. Today I'll be using something new model from MSI. So this is also from their MAG series Forge 321R Airflow RGB PC case. It's a beautiful PC case that comes with 4 ARGB fans pre-included at a reasonable price point. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on all the PC parts and components I'll be using for today's PC build. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. So we are finally done with the build, and here's how the end result of our all new 1440p value for money MSI gaming PC looks like. The PC looks neat and clean, right? I mean, look at the cable management as well. Pretty much on point is what I can say. Let me just quickly power it on and show you how this beauty looks like. Oh my god, are you people looking at that? What the heck? How can every PCI build turn out literally this good, man? I think I've got some magic in my hands, right? Anyways, just have a look at that beautiful looking PC, guys. Obviously, main highlight would be the case and also the GPU, guys. I mean, you've got beautiful ARGB lighting everywhere and multiple fans on the inside, right? All the lighting can be easily synced and customized using MSI's Mystic lighting software. Just have a look at these beautiful RGB shots, and I hope you enjoy the video. I know you guys have been like eagerly waiting to check out the real world performance of this gaming PC, right? What sort of results and FPS you'll get in games when you pair that Intel Core Ultra 5 CPU with their Intel Arc A770 16GB GPU. So we'll directly get into the benchmarks. Now I won't be doing any sort of synthetic benchmarks. We'll directly get to the gameplay part, guys, because I want to show you the raw performance of this configuration. So we will be playing like different AAA title games at 1440p resolution only. At the beginning only I've told you, right, this sort of configuration can easily handle 1440p and can offer you like a consistent smooth 60 fps results. If you want to try out 1080p gaming, right, I believe you'll easily get like triple digit fps. That is the reason we're not doing 1080p gaming. Starting off with Spider-Man 2, and let me tell you, Spider-Man 2 has actually been like one of my favorites in the recent times. The whole graphics in the game mechanics, and the way you fight, combat, everything, right? I've been really loving the experience so far. Anyways, as I've told you, in this first particular test we will be playing this game at 1440p resolution, and we're not using any sort of upscaling technologies, guys. No frame generation, no upscaling like that. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance of this configuration. So just sit back, grab your popcorn and enjoy the gameplay. Okay, are you people looking at the results? Pretty good, right? I mean, at 1440p high graphics preset in Spider-Man 2, we were easily getting around like 65 to 70 FPS, guys. Not bad at all, considering A770 costs under 30,000 rupees, right? Value for money, I would say. In case if you just lower down the resolution to 1080p, you will easily go around like 90 to 100 FPS also, guys. Aram say. So let's quickly enable upscaling technology. You people know, right? Just like Nvidia, Intel also has their own upscaling technology called as XeSS. So let me just quickly enable that at the same 1440p resolution and high graphics preset. And there you go, this is what I was talking about. Straight from 6570, now we're almost getting around like 85 to 90 FPS at 1440p resolution. Pretty good improvement is what I can say. I mean, if you can play games like this, that to the newer AAA games on the A770, I think Intel is actually doing a good job with the driver optimization. So moving on, I've also played some other AAA titles like Horizon Forbidden West. Now Horizon Forbidden West is also like a very graphic intensive PlayStation title and puts a lot of load on your PC, guys. So this game also will be trying out with upscaling and without upscaling technology. In this first particular test, we run the game at 1440p high graphics preset, XeSS is turned off, and as you people can see, on an average we were getting around like 45 to 50 FPS. Let's quickly enable XeSS upscaling and setting it to balanced profile. Now you're getting around like 55 to 60 FPS consistent, guys, at 1440p high graphics preset. Last but not the least, let's also try out Black Myth Wukong, though I'm really doubtful how it's gonna handle, because Black Myth Wukong is also like pretty intense game, guys. I mean, the graphics this game offers, right, is nuts, I would say. So we're playing this game also at 1440p resolution, and sometimes even like powerful cards like 4070, 4080 also struggle with this game, and that is the reason there is no upscaling technology turned off. You'll have to play it with either FSR, XeSS or DLSS. So right now we're doing this test with XeSS enabled, and as you people can see, on an average we're actually getting a consistent of around 55 to 60 FPS, guys. Very consistent and smooth gaming experience so far. I didn't face any sorts of lag, stutters, nothing like that. So far quite enjoyable is what I can say. So apart from that, one more thing I've noticed is in this particular game only, instead of XeSS, if I actually switch it to FSR and also enable frame generation, right, we were getting a big improvement in the frame rate, straight from 50-60 FPS, right? I could see around like 85 to 90 FPS also. Anyway, so these were the kind of results we were getting over here. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, instead of going for the 4060 Ti for nearly similar sort of price, we were going for A770, and the major reason for that is we're getting almost like double the amount of VRAM, guys. 16 GB versus 8 GB on the 4060 Ti. I do agree 4060 Ti offers slightly better performance. You could see around like plus 8 to 10 FPS compared to A770, but still compromising on the VRAM is not something I would advise, guys, especially if you're thinking about the future, or maybe if you use this PC for like content creation, productivity, or machine learning or AI learning, these sort of stuff, right? I would highly advise you to go for the A770 solely because of the higher VRAM capacity. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the pricing details. I'll leave all the price details for all the PC parts and components on both the screen as well as in the video's description as well. You can check it out there. See, ideally if you want to build a gaming PC like this, right, that to all MSI edition, like exactly how is shown in the video, right, it's gonna cost you somewhere around 1,15,000 to 1,20,000 rupees. But say if you're a bit tight on a budget, then you don't need to go for the same exact theme variant, guys. MSI also has a bit more affordable variants of the motherboards and other components, so you can go for that and greatly reduce the pricing details to around like 95,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Also, just by replacing the CPU and motherboard with the older gen hardware, right, there also you can save a lot more and reduce the prices to almost like 75,000 rupees, guys. So totally depends on your budget. In case if you want me to build that super budget 1440p gaming PC build, right, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely make a separate video. MSI is having a special campaign going on, guys, a special discount campaign, I would say, powered by MSI 2024, where if you buy like MSI components, right, you can earn up to 10,000 rupees Amazon Pay e-gift card voucher. All you need to do is buy any two qualifying MSI products under different categories, and you'll need to basically like register them and submit your claims in member center on their website, and that's it, as simple as that. So let me quickly show you how the process goes on the website. You even have a calculator on the website, guys. So before buying itself, you can select the products in different categories and check up to how much cash back you can earn. So once you purchase all the products and build your PC, right, all you need to do do is head over to this website and simply log in. If you don't have an account, right, very easy to create, and once you do that, you'll need to submit your invoices. So head over to the promotion section and upload all the products and also the invoice copies along with their serial number located on the product, and that's it. Bam! Once you do that, wait for like 7 to 14 days and you'll automatically get a mail with your redeemable Amazon gift card coupon code. So I'll leave link to that in the description box below. You can check out all the details over there. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.